coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds make it clear.
Good morning, BNIers. Dustin here with your education moment. 2 minutes, one idea, better referrals. Let's go. All right, let me ask you something. When was the last time you invited someone to BNI and they actually showed up? If it's been a while, it's not because BNI doesn't work. It's because how we invite people to BNI matters. Here's the truth. People don't come to BNI because of BNI. That's right. They come to BNI because of what BNI can do for them. So if your invite sounds like this, hey, come check out my networking group, you're gonna get a maybe someday, or I'm not interested. Instead, try this way of inviting. Start with a problem, head to a solution, and then your invite. First of all, start with the problem. What are they dealing with right now? You mentioned you're trying to get more consistent clients. Didn't you just say you're looking to grow your business this year? Make it about them first. Connect BNI as the solution. I'm part of a group that helps generate steady referrals every week. We've got a room full of business people actively looking to pass you business. Now BNI is starting to make sense. You can give them a clear, confident invite. I'd love for you to come as my guest this week. Can you make Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m.? Not sometime, give a specific moment. Here's the pro tip. Invite with a purpose. Don't just invite anyone. Invite people who you would want in your chapter, who would benefit from the referrals your chapter offers, and who you can confidently say, this will help you grow. Quality invites grow strong chapters. And here's a simple script you can use today. Hey, you mentioned wanting more clients. I'm part of a business group that passes referrals every week. I think it could really help you. I'd love for you to come as my guest this Thursday if you can make it. See, not too hard. The challenge for this week, invite 2 people using this exact method. Not random people, the right people. Because one great visitor can turn into your next best referral partner. Remember, relationships build revenue. I'm Dustin, and I'll see you all next time.
60 seconds make it clear who you help and why you're here. We don't sell now, we connect. Trust first, show respect. Different lanes, same end zone. Grow together, not alone.